teach you how to make an aesthetic Google Calendar, another productive and organizational video. If you're someone who relies on your calendar to navigate through your busy schedule, adding a touch of aesthetics can make it not only functional but also visually pleasing. Let's dive right in and transform your Google Calendar into something both practical and delightful to look at. First, let's talk about using custom colors. Have you ever noticed how color can help categorize and compartmentalize your tasks? When you're creating or editing an event, simply click the color dot next to it and pick a shade that resonates with you. In the left sidebar where your calendars are listed, you can click the three dots next to any calendar and choose a custom color. I recommend trying pastel tones or selecting a matching color palette to make things cohesive. For instance, you might use blue for school-related activities, green for work, and a calming pink for self-care. These color cues can help you immediately grasp what's on your agenda at a mere glance. Next up is adding emojis to your events. In the digital age, emojis have become a fun and expressive way to add character to your text. When you create an event, try adding emojis to the title, something like a book emoji for study, a dumbbell for workout, or a coffee cup for coffee date. This little touch will not only make each event stand out, but also make your calendar entries easy to spot at a glance, adding a bit of personality and fun to your daily planning. Now, let's explore changing your calendar view. This might seem simple, but adjusting the view can significantly enhance your user experience. At the top right corner, next to the settings gear, there's a drop-down menu that allows you to switch views. You might prefer the schedule view, which offers a clean timeline look, or perhaps the week view, which is minimal yet organized. Additionally, you can tailor your view further by hiding weekends if they tend to be less busy, and you can declutter your calendar by hiding declined events in the settings menu. With these steps, your Google Calendar can become a beautifully organized canvas that reflects not just your schedule, but your style. Whether you're using it for daily tasks, project deadlines, or simply trying to maintain a balance between work and personal life, a few aesthetic touches can make using Google Calendar more enjoyable and tailored to your personal taste. So go ahead, customize to your heart's content, and watch as your productivity and organization reach new heights while looking effortlessly chic. Remember, the key here is consistency and personalization, and with these simple yet effective adjustments, you'll have a calendar that's as functional as it is visually pleasing.